There's no signal for the live stream.
No
Yeah,
signal.
the live stream is on.
But
Live stream is
I
on.
just heard the AI telling me live stream is on.
Yeah. Yeah, now we are on the live stream. Hello, everyone.
Hello everyone, nice to see you again. Today is the 9th of June, Sunday, right?
Yeah,
So
today is Sunday.
how is the price today? Let's see.
Yeah, let me move back to the slide. Coin 360. Yeah.
69,000 something. Okay, it's floating higher than before. Still short of 70,000.
If we compare Bitcoin price with last week, it's still the same. But if we compare a few days ago, yeah, it's a little bit different because Bitcoin had has dropped 2,000, has dropped more than 2,000 just a few hours ago, because we uh, uh, we see the accumulation, the correction from the Bitcoin. Uh, if you will see the last week is still 69. Last Sunday is 2nd of May. Yeah, it's 68, 69. Yeah, and now we still hanging around. But it look like there's no change. But actually, it's dramatically changed because Bitcoin price had reached 71,600 last week on the 7th of June. Yeah. Um, uh, there are so many reasons why the Bitcoin price changed last week, and uh, mostly is coming from uh, the the job figure, the jobless figure. Yeah, because as I see, the job rate is not at expectation, and so then it's make people feel some investor feel uncomfortable, and they short the price of the Bitcoin. That's why we see the short CFTC Bitcoin short is so much. It look like if in the data show that the short order is around a billion. Yeah,
Oh
but
yeah, so there's large amount of short buying, which means
yeah,
that they are expecting the price of Bitcoin to fall.
yeah, and then this is a very funny thing. Some people say, "Oh, 69,000 is hard to achieve to price." Yeah, so many times Bitcoin hit 69,000. Yeah, and then let's hang it at 69,000 for a week again. I hope next week will change because last week the data from the jobless in U.S. Not expectations. Then people they afraid that the afraid the Fed will not cut the rate on September, and that's why I also see some of the data from the CME Fed Watch tool. Uh, in the data that is show that on the meeting 12 of June 2024, yeah, next few days we will have the meeting of the Fed. Uh, the possibility that 96% they will still keep the current rate 525, 550 as a current rate until the 18th of September. You see, the 18th of September, we had
Until the
for
18th of September.
yeah
All right. Okay.
49.6%. Yeah, So we only can hope that on September and on December we may have Fed will reduce the rate. Until now, this June and July, Fed will still keep remain this one. So we hope that some investors, some traders just hanging around until September, because after September and October, we will see the price of Bitcoin will go up, because it's also the time the Bitcoin may go skyrocket at any time. Yeah, and this is another another figure, another percent will let us see clearly more. Yeah, 18th of September, possibility the Fed will reduce the rate to 500 to 525. We have the 74.3%. Is expectation, and on November we have a
Uh,
94.17%.
that is the election day. I think
Yeah,
the date
that's right.
November
Yeah,
7. I think November 8 is the election day, if I'm not wrong.
yeah. That is some of the possibility that the Fed will reduce cut the rate um, on the before the election day in US. And now let's see Mr. Nicholas share some information to us about the bridge. Yeah, the bridge.
Right, right. Right. So the latest development of the BRICS, because there's always interesting news coming out relating to BRICS. This time is Thailand. Thailand is one of the countries in Southeast Asia.
Yeah,
Southeast Asia, there are I think 10 or 11 countries. Yeah. So Thailand is one of them, and Thailand is when the whole world wants to come to Southeast Asia, they would go to typically 2 or 3 countries. Is Singapore, Thailand, Indonesia, right? So and Malaysia as well. Malaysia means they'll go to Kuala Lumpur, right? This is the
yeah,
campus. But Thailand is pretty popular. In fact, a lot of people they love to go Thailand for holiday. Right.
yeah,
So when you talk about Thailand, I think everyone probably out of 10%, at least 7 have been to Thailand. Yeah.
yeah,
So Thailand aims to become the first BRICS member in Southeast Asia. So what one of those Thai netizens says, in fact, there are a number of them who said the similar things. Yeah, the strong dollar, which is the US dollar, the strong dollar is scaring Thailand again, right? So people
yeah,
in Thailand are no longer interested in accepting US currency for payment. Um, maybe just a group of them first, but it probably slowly grow to a larger percentage of people. Yeah, Thailand's trade with BRICS country accounted for like 22% of the country's total trade volume. So, which means what? Between Brazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa, these 5 countries, because these 5 countries,
yeah,
there's one unique thing about these 5 countries is actually 40% of the world population is in this BRICS. Yeah, so for Thailand, joining BRICS will help to diversify trade, investment, and financial risks and gain new development opportunities. So what? In fact, the last couple of years we have been hearing, oh, BRICS currency, BRICS this, BRICS that. They want a new currency. Yeah, in fact, their idea of new currency is different from euros, different from what the European Union set out in I think 1999 or something. Yeah, when euros first came into place. Yeah, so the euro dollar and BRICS currency is going to be a very different thing. Euro dollar, they say, whoa, we want everyone to use the same currency. Of course,
yeah,
there are some small countries in Europe, they will still be using their own currency. But for BRICS currency, they say, no, we don't want you to use only the BRICS currency. We
Yeah.
want to use BRICS currency and your own currency as well, which means what? With BRICS currency around, your country's currency will still be in use as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
So and of course, there are a lot of information out there that says, oh, BRICS currency will be backed by gold, because you
Yeah.
see a lot of countries, or rather these few countries, China, at least these two big countries like Russia and China, they have been buying a lot of gold. Yeah.
Yeah.
Someone said the optimum amount of gold you should have, for China to have, is at least, what was it, 40,000 tons or 4,000 tons?
Yeah, because a few days ago, the 1 ounce of gold is around 2,300.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the US dollar, ever since COVID, COVID started, COVID-19, right? It started in
Yeah.
2019, but it became full blown in 2020. So ever since 2020, the US dollar has lost 25% of its purchasing power, which means what? Every $1 you had in 4 years ago, every $1 you had, you can only buy 75 cents worth of things right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we hope that the British they will come out with another new own country like Europe, Europe.
Yeah. Basically, that's basically, I believe, what they are planning to. It's just that the way they're going to use this currency is different from how the Europeans use
Yeah,
euros, right? So, and of course, gold, all this BRICS currency, all this gold, because the US dollar lost a value, right? So people are
yeah,
turning to gold, turning to new currency, and
yeah,
before this BRICS new currency or other new currencies come up, they are turning to digital currency as well. And of course, some a percentage of them will go and invest in cryptocurrency. That is
yeah,
why we are able to talk more about cryptocurrency, and that's what also the reason why cryptocurrency price movement is still very important, uh, very good indicator of how the economy is doing. Yeah.
yeah. I also got some of the question. Is this the time to buy the Bitcoin and the other gold or some the other asset altcoin? And the answer coming from a crypto millionaire Arthur Hayes is uh, this guy. If you Google, he's one of the CEO of the Big Macs. Yeah. Last time we also have a chance to see him in finance blockchain, and now he's answered the question about is it time to buy the Bitcoin. This 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 is a photo of a new. This photo is so small. It's the central bank rate change. We also see the central bank rate change is go up and go down. Currently now is 2024 is is on the way to go down. Percentage of the bank who last rate change will increase, and the percentage of the central bank who the last rate change will decrease. Yeah, we also can see that some of uh, uh, now is a time for some of the bank. Now is so hard for them because interest rate is not good for them, and then they are facing around 53 63 bank in US on the way to be bankrupt. Uh, uh, and not only in US, we Last week we also see some of the news is about uh, Canada and Europe. They are going to cut rate to reduce the interest rate because they see the economy need time to relax. If they keep tightening for so long, it may make the crash in the economy. That's why they cut the rates soon, earlier than in US. And now the people are still waiting for the Fed decision. Yeah. We also can take some time to review what's happening the crypto digest from last week, the 2nd June to 8th of June. Yeah. If you are a trader, some investor in the stock, you may know that GME share. And last time the Warren Buffett coming back, and he 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 share his portfolio that he still keep holding the GME stock. And yesterday, a few days ago, he had a live stream back on the from the last 3 years. Yeah. Also, his live stream is also shared on the CNBC too. Uh, but um, um, but it's not an expectation because the people they hope that he will share something news, but there's nothing news in his live stream. The reason why he keep holding the share of GME, and the GME they keep printing um, uh, more share, issue more share. And some people suggest that GME should buy crypto and Bitcoin because it may bring up the value of the GME stock. And uh, we also see some of the information not only in raw liquidity, but also we see some of the news about the reason why the Bitcoin price is going down. And we also see some of the record of the ETF. Last week, Bitcoin ETF inflow reached a record 1.8 billion. Yeah. Uh, this is really interesting because this data show us to know that on the just the first week of June, that that the this photo uh, is a first week of June. The data show that the inflow Bitcoin ETF is um, 25 million. It's around 25 million inflow. Yeah. Uh, it is about over 25,000 BTC. Yeah. It means that just the first week of June, the they the big wave they keep accumulating uh, more Bitcoin than last month. It means that when the price go down, is a chance for they accumulating. Yeah, after the first week of June, they bought almost as much as they did in the entire month of May. Yeah, entire month of May is only 29,000 BTC. Yeah, but in the first week of June, 25,000. Yeah, we also can hope that on on June the price of Bitcoin may go up at any time. That's why that's why we see if the we see in the short order, yeah, it's around 1 billion. The exchange can do anything at any time, so the short team may be in caution. Yeah, and then back to the Blackrock, we see the now Blackrock they own 304,000 BTC. BlackRock is one of big player keep accumulating in BTC. Yeah, all the data come from home 15 capital. And some people asking, why the Bitcoin price still hanging around 69,000 for a long time? It's make people feel, yeah,
Don't
feel,
worry, don't worry.
yeah,
As long as it stay there for some time, there's always
yeah,
opportunity and funds that
that's
you buy. In fact, just remember what a lot of big whales has been talking about in the last couple of years when they say, "Oh, 100,000." Of course, there's one
yeah,
guy who said 250,000, but that's not so soon. Yeah,
yeah,
100,000, right? So this is what the market is striving towards, and the market meaning those investors, including the whales, right? So
yeah,
the fact that they are shorting, expecting it to go down a little bit, that is also a way to target a big buy-in, right? Because if there's a lot of short selling and then the price go down a bit, that it will not like go down forever. It will just go down a little bit, and then that will be the point where a lot of them just keep buying in and buying in, right? Because at that point there will also be mass market entries as well, and say, oh yeah, now it's time for me to buy into, So of course those are small percentage of people, but it's a large amount of BTC buyers. The whales, they are the one that's going to start
yeah,
splashing again, right? There
yeah,
will be a time where after that they will slowly try to push it, and make 70,000 the new what do you call that? The
ITS
sorry,
all time high.
yeah, make it the new resistant, right? Yeah,
Yeah, we because we expect the Bitcoin price may reach the new ATS last week
yeah,
when the price of Bitcoin is nearly around 72,000. Yeah, it's 71,700. Yeah, just uh, just 2 days ago.
yeah. I think it need to go up to 80,000 before the new resistance can be raised to maybe 70 or 72,000, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Because after
But
it reach 80, then you
at
start to float
yeah,
float between maybe 76 to 50 80,000 or something.
yeah. At the time, we also can enjoy some of the stacking and some farming to earn more and more crypto while we own the altcoin. Now, in the data, we see that Binance now holding have the 200 million user nowadays. Yeah, information coming from CoinMarketCap. We see that's latest news. Um, Binance with 200 million users, yeah, with 100 billion in assets under custody. Yeah, it's also a good thing. You also can go to Binance to check the how. Let me check the we see the group of reserve, yeah, group of reserve in Binance to see how so, and then we also can do farming, do some activity there to uh, earn a new asset when they want to go up to the exchange. They do some farming and some airdrop. Yeah. It's also good for some new people, newcomer jump into the market and they don't know what to do. Yeah, just do the farming. Yeah, do some activity like the game. Place the that's the new I hear I see there the touch swap. There's hamster combat. They also can play by typing and can earn the coin. Yeah. If you want to know more, you can comment to us, and then we also can let you know. And then it's also time for us to complete the live stream this morning. Yeah, if you have any question, please let us know. See you in the next live stream, Mr. Nicholas.
All right, see you in our next live stream. Do trade safely, and of course, remember to do your own due diligence when you are investing in new coins, planning to invest in new coin, new tokens that you never heard of it before. And please remember safety first, right? Do not put
Yeah,
everything in one basket, and we'll see you next week.
yeah. See you.